We have all been there. You open an Excel sheet or someone says you won, and it looks like this. It's a total mess. The text is getting cut off, the numbers are hard to read, and it just looks chaotic. But here's the secret. You don't need to be data genius to fix this. In exactly 5 minutes, we are going to transform this ugly, hard-to-read spreadsheet into a clean, professional dashboard that you would be proud to show your boss or your clients. Let's start the clock. But before diving into the details, if you like such contents, you can subscribe to our channel to see the other similar contents. Step number 1. Let's give our data some breathing room. See how the word transportation is chopped off here? And some of these numbers look crowded. Instead of dragging every single column manually, do this instead. Click this little triangle in the very top left corner of your grid. This selects your entire spreadsheet. Now move your mouse to the line between any two column letters, for example, between E and F, until your cursor turns into a double-sided arrow like this. After that, double click. And you will see Excel instantly autofits every single column to perfectly match the longest piece of text. No more hidden words. Step 2 is all about creating a visual hierarchy. Right now, our column titles look exactly like the data below them, so your eye don't know where to look first. Let's select our header row like this. We will make it bold by pressing Ctrl B. Next, let's give it a clean professional background color. Click the Paint Bucket tool here. Avoid bright neon colors like lime green or hot yellow. They scream amateur. Instead, go for a classic muted tone like a dark navy blue or slate gray or dark teal because the background is dark. Let's change the text to a white color like this. Finally, let's center align these headers so they sit perfectly above our data. Look at that, already looking 10 times better. Step 3 is a massive pet peeve of mine, unformatted numbers. Look at these expense numbers. Are they dollars? Are they quantities? Who knows? Round numbers are incredibly tiring for the human brain to read. Let's select all of our financial columns. Head up to the Home tab and the number group. Click the $sign symbol. Instantly, Excel adds currency symbol and commas so you can read large numbers at a glance. Now, if you don't need to track exact pennies, those extra 0 decimals at the end, just add clutter. Click this decrease decimal button twice to hide them. Clean and crisp. Step 4. Alignment and totals. There is a golden rule in design. Text aligns to the left, but number aligns to the right. So select all the numbers and align them to the right. This makes columns of numbers perfectly line up by their decimal places, making them effortless to scan and compare. Next, let's add some borders to our table. Select hold the table like this, or you can instead click anywhere inside table and press Ctrl A. If you go to the border menu, let's change the color of border to a gray, dark gray. Cancel it by escape. Again, go to the borders menu and line style. Let's select one of these dots. I prefer this one. Again, escape. Now, if you add all borders like this, you can see that everywhere the borders are added as you defined here. What about the total row? Look at our total row at the bottom. To make it stand out as a summary, select a row and give it a top border and a double bottom border like this. It's defined here, top and double bottom border like this. This is the standard financial look that instantly signals to the viewer, hey, this is the final calculation. Step 5. As you can see, all the text of the titles are written in short cases. It's not standard. You should write them in a proper way. There is a predefined function in Excel named as proper. If you write proper and select any text, it converts the text to a standard view. If you saw all the cases, you can see all the text are in the standard cases, and the first letter of every word is capital. But what about the totals? It's routine to write totals all capital, and it's better to write in uppercase. So we use another function here, upper. So you can see that it's changed the total. But the texts are out of table. What shall we do? You can select all of them, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V. But what about the formats and all the text are disappeared? Don't worry about it. Open the paste option and click values. So you can see that the format is maintained and the texts are replaced. And finally, you can clear the cells, including the formulas. If the texts in title row are also problematic, you can also do this for those titles. Now, step 6. This is the ultimate pro move that takes 2 seconds but completely changes the vibe of your sheet. Go up to the View tab and look for the checkbox that says Gridline and uncheck it. Watch what happens. All those default faint gray lines disappear and your formatted table suddenly looks like a clean custom map or a polished report rather than a messy scratchpad. Look at this transformation. We went from a messy, confusing pile of data to a beautiful, executive-ready presentation, and it took us less than 5 minutes. If you want to practice this yourself, I've left a link to download this exact messy practice sheet in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next quick Excel win.